And the colour that I've chosen, I'm going to reveal it in 3, 2. Hey everyone, Motor Andy here, and today we're going to be doing a small talk. If you don't like talks, click off this video now and just leave, because man's just going to be talking today. You're done now. So basically, I'm going to be saying to you guys what my future plans for this car is, like what I want to achieve with this car, etc, etc. So if you're an OG and you're watching this video now, right, well actually when you're watching this video now, in the space of 2021 February and March, consider yourself an OG. But anyway, let's get on to what I actually want to do with the car, so you guys know what I want to, you know, my end goal is with this car. First things first, yes, you guys can say that I'm a racer, because the only thing I've done is actually just race my car, sure. But that does not bother me at all, because at the end of the day, I hope this car is going to be more, like more powerful. Like when I say more powerful, I mean in the 200 to 400 mark range of horsepower. Now you're looking at me being like, 200 horsepower? Man's slower than my grandma. Well, yeah, okay, sure, sorry. But yeah, these engines come with a, you know, 108 horsepower factory. So with this engine, I wanna try to get 200 horsepower, but again, that's gonna take a lot of money, and I don't know if it's worth it to do it, or if it's not worth it to do it, so I need to look into that a bit more. But basically, let's just tell you guys my future plans for the car. And okay, we're talking about engines, so at the end of the day, I'll either want to go with a supercharged or a turbo D16 V1 engine, right? That sounds more like reality, like real to me, than what I do actually want, which is a K24 engine inside this vehicle. So with the dream engine sorted, I want to, you know, make the car stop. So of course, some upgraded brakes, that would be sick. I can actually stop the car for once. Moving on to suspension, I want to actually go with the most expensive thing ever and put it on air ride. Like, how mad would that be? Like my Civic, just a Honda Civic going up and down. I'd sit there for days, like pressing the button, going up and then going. That'd be so cool. I do want to make this car look a bit better. This is an SC model, meaning it is basically clapped. So man wants to put a body kit on it, like a Type R body kit, but not a Type R body kit, but yeah, a Type R body kit basically. Also, I want to get a new exhaust system. However, I don't actually like to drive a car that has, you know, obnoxious like noise, right? I like to have like a bit of a muffle to it, obviously, you know, like a nice sound, but not overly loud and stupid, because I'm not going anywhere. I'm a Honda Civic, man, right? We don't go fast unless you've tuned your car properly to do that. Next on the list is mirrors. I want to upgrade my mirrors to a facelift mirror, because you get an indicator on it, and that's, I want an indicator basically. That's the only reason why, right? To have some indicators on my mirrors. They look sick. So next thing I want to do with the car is get a new hood, right? Obviously, I've destroyed my hood already, so that's why I can't put the next Tactical Racing bonnet strut on. But yeah, they are sick, to be honest with you. Like those Tactical Racing bonnet struts, they are out of this world, fam. Get yours, right? Honestly, go get some for your Civic. Like, you won't regret it. It's actually really cool. And watch the video on how to install it. So you install it properly, and make sure to get a breaker bar that supports a 10mm. Otherwise, you're gonna be like me. You have one installed, and the other one you can't put on because you need to buy a new hood and a new bonnet hinge. But yeah, check out Tactical Racing. I will link the gas struts in the description, and use code. You can use code MotorRally5. All right, dropping that hint now, for a cheeky discount, right? I'll put it in the description, so you can use that if you'd like to get yourself some gas or anything from Tactical Racing. Just use that discount code to get a cheeky discount from it. Get the Tactical Racing bonnet struts. Just get it. Just buy it right now, right here, right now. Pause this video and go buy some gas bonnet struts right now, because they're sick. But obviously, man needs to actually change his hood, because I've broke it. I haven't broke it. I could literally drill it and cut it and set it flush or whatever. But what's the point? Right? Or buy a new of the same hood. But what's the point? I could just get an aftermarket one. Get one with fat air vents. You know what I mean? I want to do some more interior mods as well. I'm not going to tell anything about that, apart from the fact that it's going to be lit. When I do, it's going to be absolutely lit. The final thing I want to talk about and show you. The final thing I want to say about what plans I want for the car. It's about the colour. And the colour that I've chosen, I'm going to reveal it in 3, 2. No, I'm not going to reveal it. Let's not reveal it. Not reveal it until I actually get the colour on the car. If you're watching this now, in February, March, you're an OG, and you now know, well, you know the basics of what I want this car to become. So in the future, hopefully, you can see this work in reality, or whatever you want to say. But yeah, it's been Motor Rally. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm so sorry about this sun, but I'll see you guys in another video. What? Pow.